Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the media settings on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It's quite easy to reset the media settings once you know how. Follow the steps to learn how to reset the media settings to factory settings on the Seat Arona. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the system settings and tap Factory Settings. Scroll down the factory settings and tap Media. Tap Reset on the pop-up. Your media settings will now be reset to the factory media settings. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.